Hi there, today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make grilled pizza burgers. I want to thank the Beef Checkoff for sponsoring this video. We've partnered to bring you easy and delicious grilled beef recipes each week this month. Not only am I sharing great recipes, but we have some amazing giveaways for you too. We're giving away free digital meat thermometers while supplies last. Now to get yours, grab our free summer grilling cheat sheet. There's a link below. But wait, there's more. We're also giving away a grill to one lucky winner, and you can find out how to enter our giveaway in the link below. That's pretty awesome, am I right? Let's get back to these pizza burgers. We're taking a big, juicy burger, flavored with my favorite seasonings, and topping it like a pizza. It's a recipe mashup like no other. These are crazy good. Make sure you click on the red subscribe button below so you're notified when I share new recipes. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to start our pizza burgers is to make our burger mix. So here I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I use 80-20 because when it comes to beef, we know fat equals flavor. So I'm going to add this to the bowl. And I'm also going to add a couple cloves of garlic. We're really going to add a lot of flavor into this recipe. So I'm just going to use my mincer to get that in there. To this mixture, I'm also going to add a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And I just used my custom-made Italian seasoning blend. You can use a store-bought blend if you'd like. This one is super easy to whip up on your own. I have the recipe on my website. I'll put the link in the video description below for you. And then we need to season our beef. So I'm going to add some of my house seasoning. And I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons. We're going to mix up our beef gently, not too hard, because we want to keep a nice light beef mixture. But I'm just going to make sure all the seasonings are combined in the beef, and that garlic gets worked in, all the Italian seasoning, and the house seasoning. Oh, it smells good already. Okay, so we have all our garlic and seasonings in our meat. Cleaned up my board a little bit. I'm just going to add some fresh parsley to the mixture. We don't want the stems, just the leaves. And you're gonna want a pretty fine mince on this. You don't want any giant pieces. So there we go. We have our minced parsley, nice and fresh and bright green. I'm just going to add this into our bowl with our beef, and we're gonna go ahead and get that mixed up. Not only does the parsley add great fresh flavor, but it also adds a nice bright green color to the beef. Looking good here. All right, now I just need to get a couple of things and we'll move on to making our burger patties. So we have to form these into patties. I'm going to use this great little burger press. I just love it. I find that it makes a beautifully sized burger just right. So I just kind of divide this. This is gonna make about 4 patties. So I kind of use my hands to divide the meat so I get 4 even burgers, and then you just press it into the well here, and then you take the top and just put a little elbow grease behind it and press it down. And when you're done, just like a springform pan, you pop that bottom up and you have a perfectly formed burger patty. So I will complete the rest of these and then we will get them grilled up. So today I'm grilling these burgers indoor on a grill pan, but you could totally do them outside on your grill or even in the oven if you prefer oven burgers. But we're gonna do them right here. I have a nice cast iron grill pan heating up over high heat. And we're just going to, ooh, listen to that sizzle. Add our burger patties on there. And we're gonna let them cook through. Okay, so while our burgers are finishing up, we have a couple more steps, a couple more things we need to get ready in our topping wise. So, no pizza is complete without mozzarella cheese. So I have some fresh mozzarella, and I find that fresh mozzarella works best in this recipe. And I'm just going to slice it into nice thin slices. You don't want it too thick. Our burgers are just about ready. They smell wonderful. All right, put those on the plate. They're ready to go. And then I have some pepperoni waiting here on the side. So these are gonna be our toppings. As soon as these guys are done, we will go ahead and start assembling our burgers. Okay, so our burgers are just about done. I'm going to put a couple pieces of pepperoni on each one. Just cover up that top of the burger. You can use any of your favorite pizza toppings here. I'm going with pepperoni. And then a slice of mozzarella cheese on top of that. Now, we want this mozzarella to get nice and gooey. So we're gonna use a little restaurant trick here. I have a little bit of water. We're gonna make some steam and a metal bowl. And we're just going to cover it with the burgers with the metal bowl. Make the steam with the water. All right, without burning your fingers, take the bowl off, and you see that mozzarella is melting nicely down there. I am going to turn off my grill. We're gonna let these burgers hang out for a minute, and we're going to get our buns ready. So here I have some nice brioche rolls, and I just love the way brioche works for this recipe. It's so light and soft, but the buttery flavor. So I have a couple tablespoons of melted butter here. To that, I'm going to add some garlic powder. Just use my brush to stir it all in. Make a little slurry there with that. And then we're just going to brush each side of the rolls. And I'm going to put these under the broiler. I really like the way the broiler works for this. It makes them nice and toasty, and I can do a whole bunch at one time. If it was on a pan, it would take me a little bit longer. And I'm just going to pop these under the broiler, get them nice and toasty, and then we have one little secret trick. Okay, so our buns have finished toasting in the oven, and just look at them, they're nice and golden. So here I have half a clove of garlic. I just sliced it right down the middle, and we're gonna take that exposed side and just rub it all over the toasted bun. And you really want the oils from the fresh garlic to get in there. We are ready to assemble. So I have some pizza sauce, I have our burgers. So let's take the bottom of one. We will take this pizza sauce, put a nice layer on the bottom, the burger on top of there, and one more layer of sauce. Oh yeah, these are going to be outrageous. And then place it right on top. I'm going to assemble the rest of these, and then we'll come back and try it. Would you take a look at this? Oh, the burger, the mozzarella, the pepperoni. I'm gonna take a bite. Let's see. This is so good. Oh, it tastes just like a burger and a pizza got together and had a baby. You have to try this. It's a winner for sure. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure to sign up and grab our free summer grilling cheat sheet and enter our contest for the grill giveaway. And make sure you follow and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.